Good morning, guys. So today we will solve the numerical related to transformation of Cartesian coordinates to the natural coordinates. Okay, so we have studied about the numericals. In previous lecture we have studied that there are two types of numericals which will be asked in your examination based on your coordinate transformation. Okay, so first type is what? Transform your natural coordinates to global or Cartesian coordinates, and second type is what? Transform your Cartesian coordinates, or you can say your global coordinates, to natural coordinates or local coordinates. Okay, so if the examples, if it is asked to find out the Cartesian coordinates, then it is easy to find out the Cartesian coordinates, because we know that the formula for this, as we know that the formula to find out the Cartesian coordinates or global coordinates is what? X is equal to summation of n I x, where x I, these are the x coordinates, and I, these are the shape functions which can be find out or determined by using our natural coordinates. Okay, as we know that ni for quadrilateral element there should be n1, n2, n3 and okay, and we know the formula. Okay, by putting zeta and eta values into this n1, n2, n3, n4, you will get the answer, and by putting n1, n2, n3, n4 into this equation, you will get the Cartesian coordinate. But how to find out the Cartesian coordinates or global coordinates x and y? Sorry, how to find out the natural coordinates zeta and eta if the Cartesian coordinates x and y are given? Okay, now we will solve such type of examples. Actually, we have solved the examples in which they are asked to find out the Cartesian coordinates, or you can say global coordinates x and y. Now we will find out the natural coordinates by using the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so here the example is given like that. For the isoparametric quadrilateral element, this is the isoparametric quadrilateral element shown in figure. Determine the natural coordinates. So determine the natural coordinates means determine the zeta and eta value. Okay, determine the natural coordinates for the point P which has Cartesian coordinates equal to 7, 4, which has Cartesian coordinates equal to 7, 4. Okay, and also in this diagram the coordinates x1, y1, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4 is also given. This is nothing but your x1, y1, x2, y2, this is your x3, y3 and this is your x4, y2. These values are given. Now find out the natural coordinates zeta and eta. Okay, so if such type of examples is asked in your examination, then it will be asked for 8 marks. Okay, so such type of problems will be asked in your examination for 8 marks. Okay, now we will see how to solve such type of examples. Okay, so as we know that the Cartesian coordinates can be determined by using this formula. X is equal to summation of n I x, or you can say that as this is for quadrilateral element, so we can write it as n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 x3 plus n4 x. Similarly, y can be written as summation of n I y, which is equal to n1 y1 plus n2 y2 plus n3 y2 plus n4 y. Okay, so here x and y values are given. X and y values are equal to 7, so x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. It is given, and here we need to find out zeta and eta values. Now, how to find out zeta and eta values? As we know that this n1, n2, n3, n4 will contain this zeta and eta values. Okay, so as we know that n1 can be written as 1 by 4 1 minus zeta 1 minus eta, then n2 can be written as 1 by 4, 1 plus zeta, 1 minus eta, n3 1 by 4, 1 plus zeta, 1 plus eta, and n4 can be written as 1 by 4, 1 minus zeta, 1 plus eta. Okay. So how to remember this? Your first node, it is in third quadrant. For third quadrant, both zeta and eta are negative. Then your second node, it lies in fourth quadrant. For fourth quadrant, zeta is positive but eta is negative, because see, here we consider zeta as x-axis and eta as y-axis. So in fourth quadrant, first, second, third, your first node is in third quadrant. So for third quadrant, both values are negative, minus zeta, minus eta. Similarly, your second node lies in fourth quadrant. So for fourth quadrant, zeta positive, eta negative, zeta positive, eta negative. Similarly, your third node lies in first quadrant. For first quadrant, both values are positive. And your last node, fourth node, lies in second quadrant. For second quadrant, zeta is negative but eta is positive. So in this way, you can remember this n1, n2, n3 and n4 values. Okay. So now we need to write out this n1, n2, n3, n4 into this x and y equation. Okay. So now here I am writing this values in this x equation. As we know that x is equal to 7 is equal to, instead of n1 we need to write down 1 by 4, 1 minus zeta, 1 minus eta into x1. Now x1 is what? 3. Value is equal to 3. Then plus n2 is nothing but 1 by 4, 1 plus zeta, 1 minus eta into x2. x2 is given equal to 6 into 6 plus 1 by 4 into n3. n3 is what? 1 plus zeta, 1 plus zeta into x3. x3 is what? It is given 8 into 8 plus 1 by 4 into n4 is what? 1 minus zeta, 1 plus eta into x4 is what? It is given equal to 2. Okay, so we need to simplify this equation first. So 7 into 4. Why? Because this 4, it is common in 4 terms. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, it is in right hand side. So it will become, it should be multiplied to 7, because it is in denominator, it should be numerator on LHS. So 7 into 4 is equal to remaining terms. So remaining terms is what? 3 into. So we need to multiply this bracket to this bracket. So we will get 1 into 1 minus eta minus eta, then minus eta into 1 minus eta into minus eta plus zeta into eta. Similarly, plus 6 times 1 into 1 into minus eta, zeta into 1 plus zeta into minus eta minus zeta eta. Then plus 8 times 1 into 1 plus eta plus zeta into 8 plus 2 times 1 into 1 plus eta minus zeta into 8. Okay, so in this way you will simplify this equation to this equation. So finally you will get 28 times. So by multiplying this you will get 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 eta minus 3 zeta plus 3 zeta eta, then plus 6 minus 6 eta plus 6 zeta minus 6 zeta eta, then plus 8 plus 8 eta plus 8 zeta plus 8 zeta eta plus 2 times eta minus 2 times zeta minus 2 times zeta eta. So by on simplifying you will get 28 is equal to, so by subtracting and by addition of similar terms you will get finally the equation as, finally you will get this 19 plus 9 zeta plus eta plus 3 zeta eta. Okay, so you can say that 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 8 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 2 19, then only zeta terms, minus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 11 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, now eta terms, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 plus 8 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1, so plus 8, and finally zeta 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 plus 8 plus 5 minus 2 plus 3 zeta. So finally you will get 28 is equal to 19 plus 9 zeta plus eta plus 3 zeta eta. So subtracting you will get, finally you will get 9 is equal to 9 zeta plus eta plus 3 zeta eta. So you will get first equation from this first x coordinate. Okay, from this first equation you will get finally this simplified equation. 9 is equal to 9 zeta plus eta plus 3 zeta eta. Now similarly, by putting all the values into second equation, this, suppose this is equation A. Okay, now if we put the y values into this equation, means y is equal to 4 is equal to n1 y1 n2 y2 n3 y2 plus n4 y4. Similarly, if we put the values of n1 n2 n3 and n4 into this equation, and if we simplify, similarly we have simplified for this first equation, you will get another quadratic equation, algebraic equation. Here I am writing this equation as, so from this second equation you will get second equation as 4 is equal to zeta plus 9 eta plus zeta. Okay, so this is your second equation, equation B. If you put the same equation or same values n1 n2 n3 n4 into this equation, and if you simplify in the similar way we have simplified for this first equation, you will get this second equation, simplified second equation as 4 is equal to zeta plus 9 eta plus zeta eta. Okay, so suppose this is equation. Now we need to solve these two equations. So as we know that first equation is what? 9 is equal to 9 zeta plus eta plus 3 times zeta. This is your equation P, sorry, equation A. So we need to solve these two equations. Okay, so how to solve these two equations? If we need to eliminate this eta, okay, if we need to eliminate this eta, we need to multiply this second equation by 9, and if we need to eliminate this zeta, we need to multiply this equation by 9. And similarly, if we need to eliminate this zeta eta terms, we need to multiply this second equation by 3, and then subtracting this equation from this first equation. Okay, so multiplying So we will eliminate zeta element. So we multiply equation B by 3 and subtracting it from equation A. From equation A. Okay. So we need to write down this equation as it is. Second equation, A equation as it is. Second, it is not second, it is first one. Second equation as it is. So 9 is equal to 9 zeta plus eta plus 3 zeta eta. Now we need to subtract this equation from this equation, but first we need to multiply this equation by 3. Okay, so multiply this equation by 3. So we will get 12 is equal to 3 zeta plus 27 eta. If we multiply by 3, 4 into 3, 12, 3 into 1, 3 zeta, 9 into 3, 27 eta plus 3 zeta eta. And if we subtract, then if we subtract, it will become minus, 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 minus. So 9 minus 2, minus 3 is equal to 9 zeta minus 3 zeta, 6 zeta, eta minus 27 eta is minus 26 eta. 1 minus 27 minus 26 eta, and 3 zeta and 3 zeta eta minus 3 zeta eta will get cancelled plus 0. Okay. Finally, we will get one form as minus 3 is equal to 6 zeta minus 26 eta. So if we multiply this by negative negative sign, then it will become positive. 3 is equal to 26 eta minus 6 zeta. This is your another equation, third equation, C. Suppose. Okay. So now we need to convert this equation into one term. So 26 eta is equal to 3 plus 6 zeta. So eta will become finally. So eta will become finally 3 plus 6 zeta divided by 26. Okay, so if we convert this equation into one parameter, means if we convert this equation into eta only, then what will become? This 3 minus 6 zeta will become on another side plus. So 3 plus 6 zeta is equal to 26 eta. So eta will become finally equal to 3 plus 6 zeta divided by 26. So by putting this eta into one of these two equations, we will get one parameter. Okay, so so this is D. So by putting equation B into equation A, we will get 9 is equal to 9 in terms of zeta. So we need to write down in terms of zeta 9 zeta plus eta. In terms of eta, we need to write down 3 plus 6 zeta divided by 26 plus 3 times zeta into eta is what? 3 plus 6 zeta divided by 26. Okay, and now we need to solve this equation for one term, it's for zeta. So finally what will become? 9 into 26 is equal to 9 zeta plus 3 plus 6 zeta plus 3 zeta into 3, 9 zeta square plus 3 into 6, 18, sorry, 3 into 3, 9 zeta, 3 zeta into 6 zeta, 3 into 6, 18 zeta square. Right? So 9 into 6, 54, 5, 9 to 18, 54 is equal to, now 9 zeta plus 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 zeta plus 3, plus this one cancel, this one cancel, everything, because 9 plus 6 50 plus 9 24 zeta plus 3 this is a cancel plus 18 zeta square. So finally you will get one quadratic equation. 18 zeta square plus 24 zeta minus 231 is equal to 0. Okay. So in this way you will get one term, or you will get quadratic equation in terms of zeta. So by solving this quadratic equation you can see you will get zeta value as 2 terms of zeta. So finally you will get zeta value as zeta is equal to 0.9125. And by putting this zeta into your first equation, first in one of these two equations, you will get eta as eta is equal to 0.210. Okay, you can solve this equation by using your calculus, or you can solve this equation by using this b roots are equal to plus or minus b plus or minus square root of 4 is b square minus 4 ac divided by c by using this equation. 2 times a actually, so 2 times a. By using this roots equation you can solve this zeta, or by using your calculus you can get zeta values, and by putting this zeta into this your first equation you will get eta. So this is your zeta and eta values. Okay. So finally you will get zeta and eta values. So zeta is equal to 0.9125 or eta is equal to 0.210. Okay. You can solve by using your own methods also. Means by you can simplify these two equations by your own method and you can get, but final answer should be zeta is equal to 0.9125 and eta is equal to 0.210. Okay. So thank you. I am concluding here lecture. Thank you.